Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Today we have a few things that we need to do. Number one thing, I just got a phone call from Kyomuka, and they told me that next week's makeup class, next week, we have a class here on the 28th, class 8, on the 28th. And I was originally planning for that at 5th period, but I was suddenly told by Kyomuka that I cannot do that at 5th period. So I negotiated with them and asked them, can I do it in 4th period? And so the 4th period is okay. So I'm sorry, but it's a very sudden change of plans. But next week's class will be here at 4th period from 2:40 until 16:10. Probably we'll finish up a little earlier than that. And I know that some of you will probably have a hard time getting here. So I'll try to start class a little bit late. But that's the big news that I just got on the phone, maybe about 20 minutes ago. Otherwise, the class description is as it is there. The big thing that we have to do this week is that you have to get your pair partner. Can I get that there? Yeah, your pair partner for your pair presentation. You have assignments for that down here for your pair presentation partner and your manuscript. I'll be describing that a little bit later, but that's going to be due this coming Sunday. Now, don't worry, that pair presentation manuscript is only the first draft, so it doesn't have to be perfect. It's just your first try at the ideas that you're putting together with your pair partner. Of course, you can change it, you can advance it, but I want you most of all to choose your partner, whoever your partner is. Now, we'll go into that a little bit later. Okay. And the only other assignment that you have is the reflection tonight that is due tonight at 11 p.m. So please take a look at pages 82 to 85 in your textbook. Read them up about writing a better presentation, and then please answer the question, what do you understand are the important points in the textbook about giving a good presentation? Now, I still have a few things that I want to discuss with you after looking at your videos. If you want to see how you did, please go to class number 5, where we did the presentations, and take a look at the feedback comments in your self-introduction presentation video. I tried to give you as much information as I can, and I think what I want to do today is go over that, because you did okay, not as well as I thought you would, but I think it was a good opportunity for you to see how hard it is to remember an English presentation. A lot of you were thinking, oh no, I have to memorize an English presentation. Yes, because unfortunately, your English is not good enough to give a quick presentation on the stage without practice. It takes practice. And that practice has to be not just in your English, it has to be in your presentation style. And it was your presentation style that was actually the biggest problem, how you were presenting yourselves. We're going to talk about that a little bit later. So those are your 2 assignments this week. In class 7, your pair presentation partner and manuscript. And what I want you to do with that, basically, oh yeah, let me switch this over to student mode. So there were 2 things that you have to do. First, you have to choose your pair partner. Okay, now in the typing box that you have in there, if you're Taro Suzuki, what you can just do is just type, my partner is, and then just type your partner's name. If it's Koichi Sato, that's fine. Just write that, Koichi Sato. And that's fine. That's all I need to know about who your partner is. And then Mr. Sato will write, my partner is Taro Suzuki. And that's fine. Then, for your manuscript, both of you, the same manuscript, upload the same manuscript in Word in here. You can use the same document template that I gave you for your individual presentations. Write it together, talk together. Remember, it's just a first draft, and then upload it there. Okay, so let me cancel that. That's your pair presentation partner in manuscript. The only other thing, as I said before, is your reflection for writing a better presentation. Okay, if you have any questions, you can always email me at jdmcruz@gmail.com. Otherwise, let's try to have a good class today, boys. Thank you very much.